everyone, it's Gina. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of graduation tassels for less than $1 in under a minute. For the first tassel you will need embroidery floss and twist ties. Open up the loop in the embroidery floss and feed a twist tie through. Twist the ends together. Wrap another twist tie around the embroidery floss to make the tassel. Feed the scissors through the bottom loop and cut to make your tassel. Wasn't that easy? For the second tassel, you will need 2 colors of embroidery floss and twist ties. Feed the twist tie through each end of the embroidery floss. Bring the ends together and twist. Wrap another twist tie around the 2 colors of embroidery floss to make the tassel. Feed the scissors through each end of the bottom loops and cut to make your tassel. I love this tassel and it's so easy to make. For the third tassel, you need cardboard, twist ties, and 2 colors of embroidery floss. Cut a piece of cardboard. Mine was 6 inches long. Cut notches on each end of the cardboard. Fit the ends of each color of the embroidery floss into the notches to secure. Wrap both colors of the embroidery floss around the cardboard. Feed a twist tie through the embroidery floss. Bring the ends together and twist. Remove the embroidery floss from the cardboard. Wrap the twist tie around the embroidery floss to make a tassel. Feed the scissors through the embroidery floss and trim to finish your tassel. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much for watching.